and welcome to another episode of MX Breaks Lifestyle Entertainment. I'm Zala, and we have all the updates in lifestyle and entertainment right here waiting from you, from Ghana and around the world. It's Thursday. What have you guys got going on today? The weekend is fast approaching. But here's some of what's going on. Funny Face is arrested for firing a gun in a pub, and Vyrusky and Lennon have released a new song. Let's dive right into it. Ghanaian comedian Benson Oduru Boateng, popularly known as Funny Face, was arrested on Monday by police in Kaswa for unlawful discharge of a firearm. Funny Face was engaged in an altercation with a pub owner that got very heated. Strangely enough, he even left at a point, but later came back with a gun and fired a warning shot in the bar. Obviously, that didn't end well. The pub owner reported him to the police for shooting in the pub, and Funny Face reported the pub owner for assault. He has since been released from police custody, but Funny Face jumped on social media to respond to the whole situation. We've got a video right here, so let's take a look and see what he had to say.
You know what they do, hey? And all the useless people, haters, too, saying I was resisting arrest. Watch the video, well, if I was resisting arrest. Watch the video if I was resisting arrest. I was telling them, even begging them, you should stop slapping me, let me go and close the car door, or move and park the car and let them take me. Charlie, they handcuff me, slap. Charlie, ha! Me, why you do me like this? I got a police, me, why you do me like this? Obi onimbi ako obi a o ma obe wu awom mo be bragana police my brother cut it. The big brother, my brother man no dey fit sleep. Now he dey sing Ghana police. My brother cut it. Yeah, you know what they do, hey? And all the useless people, haters, too, saying I was resisting arrest. Watch the video, well, if I was resisting arrest. Watch the video if I was resisting arrest. I was telling them.
Looks so upset. I mean, you can tell from his anger. Did you hear all the beeps? We don't need to know what he's saying, but you can tell that he's upset. Resisting arrest, not resisting arrest, I don't really know. But let's just hope this is all sorted out and we can enjoy our weekend all nice and calm. Now, moving on, DJ Vyrusky has just dropped a new song in collaboration with the new artist, Lennon. The post was shared across social media with it being captioned, "Introduction to Greatness." Aside from being a DJ, Vyrusky shared that this year he is really trying to focus on music production and bring something new to the music scene here in Ghana. The new song is titled Hustler's Anthem and is officially out, so let's check a look.
To the world of Vyrusky.
Lennon,
Nobody to show me love. But this year, if you win, to kill the show. Today we go blow. Nyami be my door. Young country, I'm saying, when you move in a sikana kosia, what the Usuna say, see what you do. Try your code and your code and your code. Mona move, Mona move, Mona move. When you move in a sikana kosia.
Check out for Vyrusky. He's about to do great things in Ghana. Moving on, guys. So, unfortunately, actor Emmanuel Kojo Dadson passed away at 68. He had been suffering for kidney issues when he suddenly started feeling very weak. Kojo Dadson gained fame from his role in Home Sweet Home and had been recovering from a stroke he suffered in 2012. It confined him to a wheelchair for 8 years, but that didn't reduce his impact on the arts and entertainment industry. His brother, Pa John Dadson, shared Kojo's passing happens 2 weeks after his wife passed away. Our thoughts and prayers are with the family, and we will always remember him for the great impact he made. It's really important, so our thoughts and prayers are with his family. Moving on, let's jump into America with Kim Kardashian. Celebrities have the most interesting life, but also sometimes the most interesting or talented kids. I mean, Beyonce's daughter, Blue Ivy, already has awards for her vocals on Dark Skin Girl, and now it seems it's Kim K's daughter's turn. Northwest with a talent. In a joyous Instagram post, Kim shared a picture of a painting and captioned it, "Congratulations, North, on your accomplishment." As always, the internet has professional critics, claimed that North couldn't have done it, whilst others dissected the painting, comparing it to a famous American painter, Bob Ross. Kim got so upset, she jumped on social to address and emphasize that 7-year-old North indeed made the painting. She really spent 2 whole weeks with her best friend to create a masterpiece. But what do you guys think? Do you really think a 7-year-old could have made it? I don't know, but if she did, I'm very impressed. I can't do that. But that's all we've got for you today. This has been MX Breaks, and I'm Zala. Have a great day, and we'll see you. Bye!